Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix a server with the specified hostname Cashapp. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is tap on your settings app, and once you're inside your settings, scroll down and then tap on general, and once you're inside your general, tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside iPhone storage, scroll down and then tap on Cashapp. Now I don't have Cashapp, so I'm just gonna assume this Snapchat is the Cashapp. Now you'll find two options, that is upload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches which is present in the app, which might be causing the issues that you are facing. And once that's done, all you gotta do is try again. But if the problem still persists, then what you can do is head over to your app store and then tap on the search bar, and then on the search box type in Cashapp. Now tap on the Cashapp and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix the issue. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.